Inventory Management Dashboard Summary. This area has no on-track KPIs. There are 3 critical and 3 warning items requiring immediate attention. The most urgent, 5 of 7 tracked items are below safety stock. Hoja Blanca has only 1.5 days of coverage, meaning the cannery line will shut down within 36 hours without an emergency order. One batch has expired, 1,800 pounds of Hoja Blanca sliced. This must be written off immediately and must not enter production. 2 batches expire within 7 days. Sevillano pitted in 2 days and Lysolution in 4 days. Both need urgent consumption. Cycle count accuracy is at 84.4% with 2 critical discrepancies totaling 630 units. Net count variance is negative 1,425 units from unposted spoilage and scrap. 2 warehouse transfers are urgent, Sevillano for FIFO compliance and Mencinia for production staging. All 4 actions are high urgency. 3 are immediate, emergency Hoja Blanca order, expired batch write-off, and Sevillano transfer. The 4th is posting adjustment journals today. Inventory management AI agents moving from inventory risk detection to autonomous supply protection.